Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will dive into the thriving rental market of Kansas City, sharing valuable insights and strategies for real estate investors. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, Alpine Property Management in Kansas City can help you thrive in this dynamic market. Join us as we explore the opportunities, trends, and expert tips that will set you on the path to success in the Kansas City rental market. The Kansas City rental market is a goldmine of opportunities for real estate investors. With a growing population, strong job market, and a diverse range of rental options, this market has consistently proven to be a profitable venture. Kansas City offers a mix of urban, suburban, and rural areas, each with its own unique charm and rental demand. Whether you're interested in single-family homes, apartments, or commercial properties, there's something for every investor in Kansas City. To thrive in the Kansas City rental market, it's crucial to stay informed and employ effective strategies. Here are some key insights and strategies to help you succeed. Market research. Conduct thorough market research to identify high demand areas, rental rates, and vacancy rates. Analyze the demographics, employment opportunities, and future development plans to identify the most promising investment locations. Choose properties that align with the rental demands of the target market. Consider factors such as proximity to amenities, transportation options, and neighborhood safety. Set competitive rental rates based on market analysis and property value. Avoid overpricing, as it may lead to longer vacancy periods. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy to attract quality tenants. Utilize online platforms, social media, and professional photography to showcase your properties. Implement a thorough tenant screening process to ensure reliable and responsible tenants. Verify credit history, employment stability, and rental references to mitigate risks. Consider partnering with Alpine Property Management to streamline operations and maximize returns. Alpine Property Management offers expertise in tenant management, property maintenance, rent collection, and legal compliance. Alpine Property Management is your trusted partner for thriving in the Kansas City rental market. With their industry knowledge, experience, and dedication to excellence, Alpine Property Management is committed to helping you achieve your investment goals. Their team of professionals will handle tenant acquisition, property maintenance, and financial management, allowing you to enjoy passive income without the stress of day-to-day operations. Are you ready to thrive in the Kansas City rental market? Contact Alpine Property Management today to learn more about their comprehensive property management services and how they can help you maximize your investment returns. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Together, let's achieve success in the Kansas City rental market. Remember, Alpine Property Management is here to help you grow your Kansas City investment portfolio. Thank you for watching today's video.